16 by 7 foot trailer with 2 concession windows, service shelves, cylinders on the windows for a quick opening, LED lights in the outside, fenders for the wheels, aluminum, 2 axles, a little gate for maintenance underneath the sinks, water inlet, compressor for the air conditioner, propane tank, compartment, tankless water heater, the valve for the wastewater tank, two exhaust fans in the top, this one has a aluminum tin, the lights, the power inlet, 127 volts AC. On the inside we have the appliances on the left side. On the right side we have the service table, the 2 concession windows, power outlets, filters on the hood, 3 sinks, hand sink with a little separator there, clean water tank, 30 gallons. On the left side we have the wastewater tank, 45 gallons, the pump, steam table, 6 compartments, 36 inches griddle, 3/4 of an inch stick, 2 burners, and the fryer, 3 power circuits, 20 amps each, and the remote control for the air conditioner, more outlets, LED lights in the top, thanks for watching. Bye-bye.